Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek. Now you can see if you just search up DeepSeek here and you click on this website, you can see you can use it in one or two ways. You can use it in the internet by clicking on Start Now, or you can get the DeepSeek app here. You can scan the QR code like this. So let's just do it from the web. Now let's just click on Start Now. And then there you go. You can start using DeepSeek like you do on other AI models, right? So if I message DeepSeek here, for example, hey, what can you do? Like this, you can see it responds really well. Hi, I'm DeepSeek V3, an AI assistant independently developed by the Chinese company DeepSeek Inc. Cooperated. For detailed information about models and product, please refer to the official documentation. Now from this chat, you can ask anything you want. For example, I want to ask, code me a simple website. Like that. Now you can see, it'll think, and then it'll give me a HTML code for a simple website. Now, if I actually plug this in into Visual Code Studio and I try to run it, it'll run really well. Now you can see, this is how you use DeepSeek. You can use it for pretty much anything, like make me an Excel table. You can treat this guy as your own personal assistant that can basically do anything, who's really, 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 really smart. So just have fun. Make sure use it to help your work, your school job, whatever. This is how you use it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.